Welcome. So today I'm going to see all the new features in Fedora 40. Let me give you some background about this Fedora Linux distribution. Fedora Linux was originally developed in 2003 as a continuation of Red Hat Linux project, and since 2014 that has been 3 editions of Fedora: personal computer, server, and cloud computing, and expanded furthermore in 2022 as a new version of Fedora Linux is released every 6 months. As of February 2016, Fedora Linux has an estimated 1.2 million users, and on top of that, it's also the distro of choice by Linus Torvalds, the creator of Linux kernel. That shows you how good is this distro. I hope you like that intro to the distro. Before getting into the new features, let's see the installer. Fedora uses the Anaconda installer. As you see, it's simple and easy to use. So let's get to the new features in Fedora 40. One of the key features of Fedora 40 is the kernel update. At the core, Fedora 40 is powered by the Linux kernel 6.8. This is the latest mainline kernel, hence with this release you are bound to get the latest features and hardware updates. So that's the update under the hood. What's the update user facing? GNOME 46 is here. The Fedora 40 Workstation Editions features GNOME 46, and that is powered by GTK 4.13 and libadwaita 1.4.2. And most of the changes in this release of GNOME are under the hood updates, catering to bug fixes and performance improvements. One of the key changes in this release is Nautilus is addressing the long-standing performance issues when you change the view from list to grid, as Nautilus tries to refresh the whole directory. In addition, the search function in Nautilus gets complete overhaul. Search current folder. This replaces the original search button and remains focused on finding file within the currently displayed directory. Global search, a brand new button added to the left pane, allowing you instantly search your entire file system. And that's not all what's new with GNOME 46. I have a video on what's new with GNOME 46 if you want to watch. There are a lot of under the hood improvements and performance improvements. Moving on, another features update Fedora 40 brings is a few DNF5 updates. The next version of DNF Package Manager, DNF5, aims to improve performance and reduce memory usage and disk footprint compared to DNF. Although the switch to DNF5 was initially planned for Fedora 39, it has been postponed to later release, likely Fedora 41. But also DNF got some performance improvements. That's all for package management. Let's get to some new apps. Fedora 40 offers PyTorch as a part of the Fedora 40 repository. The aim is to make open source machine learning framework readily available and easily to use within the Fedora ecosystem. Also, wget, GNU wget is updated to a new version, wget 2. Other key updates: the Fedora website currently uses the term immutable desktops to regroup all the RPM OS 3 based Fedora variants. On other spins, Fedora Linux features almost all major desktop environments and window managers as spins. This release also brings KDE Plasma 6 mega release, whereas the XFCE 4.18 version with the latest fixes and improvements. You can also get the latest Mati desktop, Budgie desktop, LXQT, i3 and Sway spins. Overall, Fedora 40 release brings some good updates to the desktop and the kernel, and most of the changes are mostly under the hood to strengthen the Fedora base for all use cases. So if you used Fedora in the latest versions, you will notice that it is more stable, and Fedora 40 is contributing to that. Okay, that's it for my review of Fedora 40. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace.